Yes. Have you seen Form 3s and Form 4s somewhere? Come. This is for you. In today's lesson, I'm going to take you through KCSE questions. And the topic that we're going to go ahead is application of arithmetic progression and geometric progression. This topic is very common in KCSE and it usually carries 10 to 12 marks. So stay with me. I'm going to give you the tips on how to master it and get your 10 marks in the pocket very easily. So we'll start by reading the question. The first term of an arithmetic progression is 3. The sum of the first 6 terms of the AP is 78. Find the common difference. So Roman 1 requires us to get the common difference. Before we get the common difference, what should we do? Analyze the question. That is the first thing you should do when you get a mark. Analyze a question. So we start by analyzing what do we have. In this question, we have been told that the first term is usually denoted by letter A. So the first term of an arithmetic progression is 3. Then we go ahead. The sum of the first 6 terms. The sum of the first 6 terms. How many terms? 6. So the number of terms denoted by letter N. We have 6 terms. We continue reading. The sum of the first 6 terms of the AP is 78. The sum is 78. Meaning, if you add all those 6 terms, you are going to get 78. Very good. Find the common difference. So we don't have the common difference. So what is D? To get D, you need to be able to know the formula of getting the sum of terms in arithmetic progression. And here is the formula. Sn is equal to n over 2 bracket 2 times A, the first term, plus bracket n minus 1 D. This one is simply the last term. The last term, to get the last term, you simply take n minus 1 times D. That's how you get the last term. So once you know this formula, you are good to go. What next? What next? Substitute. Very good. You now substitute in your formula. So we go ahead and say Sn is the sum of the number of terms, which is 78. We have been given is equal to n. N represent what? Number of terms. We have 6 terms. 6 over 2. Then 2 times A, the first term. The first term is 3. Very good. Plus n, 6 minus 1 D. Like that. Once you have substituted, what is next? You solve. Now solve. Very good. How do we solve this? 78. 78 is equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then open your bracket. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times D. It is 5D. Close the bracket. So 78 is equal to 3. Open this bracket. 18 plus 15D. What happened next? We collect the like terms by bringing this 18 on the other side. We bring it on the other side. So bring your 18 on the other side. If you bring any number from, once a number crosses the equal sign, what happened to the to the number. Very good. The number become, the sign of the number changes. If it was positive, it changes to negative. If it was negative, it changes to positive. Very good. So now our number will be now 78 minus 18 is equal to 15D. Okay? What is 78 minus 18? It is 60 is equal to 15D. So what is D? So D is equal to, so you multiply both sides by 15. 15 by 15. So D will be equal to what? 60 over 15, which is what? 4. So our common difference is what? 4. Our common difference is 4. So next, I will be posting for you Roman 2 questions. I told you the question goes up to 10 marks. So you have just gotten 2 marks. And next time I will show you how to get all the 10 marks. Stay with me. Thank you.